Hi guys, and welcome to Ron's Weight Loss Journey. And Ron, well, if you're new to my YouTube channel, could you please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel where you'll get the latest videos of my weight loss journey. Just a recap of my week. Today is February 22nd. It is also week 27 if you're counting my weeks going back to September 1st. We officially started our weight loss journey on August 17th. That was 325 pounds. And I started to do a weight loss journey on the ketogenic lifestyle. And so this past week, what do we do for activity this week? Well, it's been a very, very cold week here in the Northeast. We had some more snow. The roads are very icy and slippery most of the time, so I really didn't do too much street walking like I would have liked to. So we ended up going down to the gym, and we did the treadmill one day. We did 10 minutes on the treadmill, and then I got home, and then my back started acting up again. So I'm having second thoughts about the gym right now because it seems like every time I go down there, I'm either on the bike or the treadmill, or I try to do the kettlebell weights, and it just hurt my back too much. And for me, the best thing that I can do to keep the exercise and get the exercise I need is just go walking. And so what we got planned for this coming week is probably we're going to go walking in the mall area where it's going to be a lot safer without all the ice. This coming midweek is supposed to start warming up to the mid-40s. Maybe that'll get rid of some of the snow on the sidewalk so I can start walking on the sidewalk. Now, I did send out for a pair of snow grips this past week. I went up to the Doyle Estate yesterday, and I tried to do some walking up that way. I got as far as the bridge before you cross the street, and my feet started slipping all over the place, and I said, no, this isn't going to work out. And I was talking to some hikers that were coming back from the Doyle Estate, and one of them had a pair of snowshoes, like a tennis racket type snowshoes, and I was talking to another guy this past week, and he said, yeah, Ron, the snow is about 1.5 feet deep in some spots. If you're not careful, you're going to really go flying. So I thought against my better judgment. So it is what it is, but we got better days coming. We're not giving up keto. And so how did they do on keto? Well, not too good, actually. This is all about ups and downs and trial and errors. And I actually gained 4 pounds, so my weight went back up to 265, which I'm not going to sweat the small stuff. I can explain why it went up. I went to our local BJ's wholesale distributor today, this past week, and I bought some of these little Skippy peanut butter bites, and I ended up eating almost a whole bag in a couple of sittings, and that was part of it. And then I bought something called keto crackers, and I thought they were keto crackers, but even though they were smart keto crackers, this is why you really got to read the label and watch what you're eating, and be vigilant about that. Because when I got home after I had my 44 was a serving size according to the bag size, and said 44 crackers were like 27 carbs. So I said, holy moly. So 27 carbs, if you're doing 20 net carbs a day like I am, you can see why I picked up a couple extra pounds this past week. So like I said, we're not going to sweat the small stuff. Right back on keto, back basic this week. We did buy a Instant Pot, a 6-quart, and we plan on making some more keto meals with the 6-quart this coming week. Today we're making cabbage rolls with the 6-quart using cauliflower for rice, and the basic recipe for cauliflower, for the basic recipe for cabbage rolls. So that'll be good. We had an 8-quart pressure cooker, but we downsized to a 6. We're still going to use the 8-quart, but it's taking up an awful lot of room on my counter, and I haven't got much counter space. And I was researching on how to film recipes, and I need to send out for a overhang tripod to make that all work. There's a lot of people doing recipes on YouTube for the Instant Pot, and I just thought maybe on my channel I'll just show you how I'm losing weight with the Instant Pot. I've had the 8-quart now for a couple of months, and I really love it. It's been helping me to lose weight and keep my weight off, and you get phenomenal flavors out of your food. They're not that hard to use. And so that's about all I got to say. I don't know what do we got coming up this week. When the weather breaks, we're planning on doing some more walking this coming week. My back has been really terrible again. It's I'm just taking it slow and easy. I'm always trying to stay on the positive side and the upbeat side of things. This shirt that I'm wearing is a 1X shirt. I feel really good about that. I did have the scale victory with clothes. Now, I noticed a lot of you guys have been posting a lot of photograph posts and of your photos and your journey posts, which is really great. But and a lot of you guys have been struggling and stalling and stuff like that. But you know, guys, you just can't give up. I don't intend to give up. I still have many more pounds to lose. I'm at 265. My goal is to get down to about 180, and then we have the bucket list to go and skydive when I can get rid of another 40 more pounds, which I'm hoping probably around summertime when that happens. And I know when I can start walking 3 to 5 miles every day, which is going to happen pretty quick when the snow's all gone. The weight will fly off of me, and I have no doubt in my mind that it will. It just right now I just can't get too much exercise and without hurting myself. So I'm just taking it easy and being vigilant on what I've been eating and staying within my calorie count and my carb count, which I do 20 net carbs a day, and I do 1,500 calories or less a day on my calories. And I've been noticing that I'm a coffee connoisseur. I love my coffee, but yesterday I had wicked heartburn after drinking a third cup of coffee. So now it's got me rethinking on the coffee intake in the morning. I'm cutting down to like 1, 2, and then eventually I'm going to try to wheel myself off of coffee because it's just tearing out my stomach too much. But yeah, so that's about all I got to say. Other than that, have a great week, have a good month, and remember you guys are all amazing. And stay healthy and stay safe and stay warm.